How to recover a disabled Fiverr account. So to start, the first thing that you need to do is to know why your account is disabled. So in here, there are three types of account suspension in Fiverr. The first one is restricted, second one is temporarily disabled, and then the last one is permanently disabled. If your account is simply restricted, you can still log in, withdraw funds, and then complete existing orders, but you cannot accept new orders or send messages. The second one is temporarily disabled. Once your account is temporarily disabled, your access on your account will be blocked for a period of 90 days during which Fiverr reviews your account. And then the last one is permanently disabled. Once your account is permanently disabled, you will no longer be able to access your account due to serious violations of Fiverr's terms and services. So as you can see, once your account is permanently disabled, you can no longer recover it. But there are ways for you to do so you can appeal on your account. The first one is you'll have to wait for the review period, which is 90 days. Once the review period is done, you'll have to contact the Fiverr support. And then you'll have to request for reactivation, and then you will have to provide the necessary information that they may require. And then the last one, you will have to appeal the decision. If you believe the suspension was a mistake, you can still appeal by contacting Fiverr support. You will have to be honest and provide any evidence that support your case. And then after that, you can also withdraw the available funds. What you need to do is to wait for the 90 days pending verification. Once the 90 days is done, they will send instructions via email on how you can withdraw your available funds. So those are the ways on how you can recover disabled Fiverr account. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.